Alright guys, so this video is going to be kind of skippy between 3 different days. Doing a little fishing and shed hunting the first day. Second day going out to Rollins Lake with the boys. And the third day going to Crowell by myself, just having fun before I go back to the boat. As you can tell, I'm back on the river. I'll be back on here for 3 more weeks or so. Figured I'd get some footage done, get you guys out of video. Pond's looking nice. Do a few casts and see if we can't catch something really green. Ooh. There we go. Heck yeah, first bass of the year. Let's go. Not a bad one. Heck yeah. I'm just kind of looking around, see if we can't find any sheds. Seen a few deer. We're in the right spot, I guess. There's deer. I mean, there might be some fallen antlers. So I'm going to go up here and get my tree stand out of the woods and my camera. Maybe we can see something up there. Here guys, got the tree stand down out of the tree. I have a camera over there I need to pick up. I haven't found a shed yet, but did find a turtle shell. Up guys, I just found my first ever shed. Check it out. It's freaking awesome. Let's freaking go. I've never been able to find a shed in the woods ever. That's freaking awesome. Maybe if we get lucky we'll find this other side. That'd be really freaking cool. Out here at Rollins Lake in Jackson County, West Virginia. My first trip out this year on the kayak. We're going to try to catch some bass, some trout, maybe some crappie. See what we can do. It's really cold out here today. Right now it's 38 degrees. Or 36 degrees. Wow. It's pretty cold. Gonna have the fish finder running. And yeah, hopefully get on some fish. There's a crappie. Little crappie. Sweet. We will take it. Another crappie. Heck yeah. Another one. Another crappie. Bloop. Mini glide bait that I got from Custom Hard Tackles. You guys go check them out on TikTok and Facebook. They have some really cool custom lures. They hand paint these and they're pretty awesome looking. Hopefully we can catch some fish on it today. Have you tried the bank towards the dock yet? Oh, I have one on the glide bait and it was a nice bass. Damn. I wasn't expecting that at all. That was awesome. That was probably at least a 2-pound bass. Even swimming it fast, it looks good. I said even swimming it fast, it looks good. That was crazy though. I wasn't expecting that at all. It's got me pumped to use that glide bait more. Yes, sir. Trout? Oh. Nice. I got that on film. Yeah. Yes, sir. Lake stud. Oh, it came off. Good boy. A trout. I can't tell. Hang on, it's flopping. Let's go! The brown. Yesterday it was 60 degrees, nice and warm. Today, 30 degrees and sun. We'll go out here, try to catch some crappie or trout, or honestly whatever hits. Heck yeah. Crappie. Let's go. Not big enough to eat though. Hell yeah, I just caught a nice bass. Heck yeah, let's go. It's 39 degrees out here and I'm catching bass. Freaking awesome. Go. Another bass. Whoa, this guy's cool looking. That line that goes down him. Huh, pretty cool. I'm gonna release on this guy. Bloop. There it goes. Look at this freaking coot. Listen to it. What? You want some? Huh? You want some? Punk? Get out of here. I'm trying to catch some fish. That's a snag. Let's go. Trout, baby. Heck yeah. Little rainbow. There's another one. Heck yeah. I think we found the trout, boys. Oh, heck yeah. That's a pretty brook trout. Come here, buddy. Heck yeah. Let's go. Try to catch some more, I reckon. There's another one. Oh, that's a bass. Heck yeah. Another bass. Man, this is a good day. The wind's blowing really bad. There's another bass. You cannot beat that. Another bass. Let's go. We're up to 4 bass today. Boop. Little guy.
that's gonna do it for today. Got 2 trout, 4 bass, and a crappie out of Crowell. It's 37 degrees.